Welcome to Manodis, a blog for men's interest, fashion, and lifestyle. Most men would agree that having a strong social life is important. After all, what's the point in working hard if you don't have anyone to share your success with? Unfortunately, some men find it difficult to maintain a strong social life. This can be for a number of reasons, such as being shy or introverted, not knowing how to meet new people, or simply not having the time. If you feel like you need to improve your social life, there are some steps you can take to make it happen. It may not be easy, but it will be worth it in the end. I suggest you go through our guide on how to improve yourself and become a better man. First step: make more friends. Making friends is one of the most important things we can do in our lives. It's how we connect with other people and learn about ourselves. It's also how we find support and build relationships. Second step: get out and talk to people. In a world that is increasingly relying on technology, it is easy to forget the importance of face-to-face interaction. However, research has shown that talking to people in person can have a number of benefits for your mental health and well-being. Third step: join or start a club or activity. One of the best ways to improve your social life is to join or start a club or group that meets regularly. This could be anything from a book club to a hiking group to a wine tasting club. The important thing is that it's something you're interested in and that you'll feel comfortable attending on a regular basis. Fourth step: become a volunteer. Volunteering has a positive effect on your community, and you too. When you volunteer, you connect with others and make a difference. And volunteering is a great way to learn new skills and gain experience to include on your resume. And last but most important step: be yourself and have fun. One of the best pieces of advice you can ever receive is to simply be yourself. It sounds easy enough, but in reality, it can be one of the hardest things to do. We all put up walls and put on masks to protect ourselves from the outside world. But what we don't realize is that in doing so, we're not letting the world see the real us. By following the steps to improve your social life, you will come to know yourself. We live in families, communities, and societies. Let's go and work together as a society, play together, and care for one another. Our social interactions make us who we are.